A sociologist chose 300 students at random from each of two schools and asked each student how many siblings he or she has. The results are shown in a table below. There are a total of 2,400 students at Lincoln School and 3,300 students at Washington School. Based on the survey data, which of the following most accurately compares the expected total number of students with 4 siblings at the two schools? Let's examine the answer choices one by one. Answer choice A. The total number of students with 4 siblings is expected to be equal at the two schools. This answer is quite attractive. If we look at the table, we can see that in the sample that was conducted by the sociologist, 10 in each of the schools had 4 siblings. So the answer looks good, but upon further reflection, we can see that it is not representative of the total number of students at both schools. The way statistical research works is that we use a sample to draw conclusions about a larger number of people. And in this case, we're told that the research identified that out of 300, 10 in both cases had 4 siblings. If we're extending it to the population of schools, let's first focus on the Lincoln School. It has 2,400 students, which is 8 times more than those that were surveyed. And if there are 8 times more students, then we can expect that there will be 8 times more students with 4 siblings. So our result of 10 out of 300, when applied to 2,400 students, would be 10 times 8 or 80. Think about for a moment and it should make sense. There are 11 times more students at the Washington School than those that were surveyed at the school. So the result shows that 10 out of 300 are expected to have 4 siblings. Since 3,300 is 11 times that number, we can expect 11 times 10 to be the number of students with 4 siblings, or 110. In other words, although the proportion of students with 4 siblings is the same at both schools, the total number of students with 4 siblings is different at two schools. At Lincoln School, it's 80, and at Washington School, it's 110. So answer choice A is incorrect. Choice B, the total number of students with 4 siblings at Lincoln School is expected to be 30 more than at Washington School. We ran the numbers, and there are more students with 4 siblings at Washington School than at Lincoln School. So this is the wrong answer. Choice C, the total number of students with 4 siblings at Washington School is expected to be 30 more than at Lincoln School. And this is exactly what we have. We have the expected number of students at Washington School at 110, and the expected number of students with 4 siblings at 80, and the difference is 30. So we do in fact expect that there will be 30 more students with 4 siblings at Washington School than at Lincoln School. So we love this answer, and let's look at the answer choice D. The total number of students with 4 siblings at Washington School is expected to be 900 more than at Lincoln School. So this number is absolutely out of proportion with any calculations we've done. So let's go back to answer choice C and mark it as the correct answer.